Hey P, what you cooking?
Yeah. You cooking with P. Yeah. You cooking with P. Yep. You cooking with P. You cooking with P.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy and thanks for tuning in to Cooking with P. So this is going to be a quick video. We're going to do some rotisserie whole chickens. I've already rinsed the chickens off, had them sitting in the refrigerator, had seasoned them up, so I'm letting the skin dry out a little bit, and we're going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so chicken's been in the refrigerator with some seasoning, and of course, a little bit of water will drain from the chickens as you sit those in the fridge, so make sure you have them in an adequate apparatus to be able to obtain the water that's going to be released. So with that being said, we're going to get the rotisserie set up, and I love this one because you just turn it on and leave it. So anyway, I'll be right back. Cooking with P. Boy, I ain't know you could cook like that. Alright, so here's my tray where all the juice is going to drip, so I'm going to hit that with a little, it's going to help with the cleanup afterwards. And you know what this is where my chickens are going. So yeah, we're going to hit a little bit on there too, kind of help with cleanup. And let's see, one of these is the top and one is the bottom. So let's go. Hello, my name is Otis.
Okay, so when you place these birds on, you want them to be basically not too much hanging off of either side, because it will touch the heating element and then your kitchen will start to smoke up. So we want to start with this wing. Then we're going to come back to the back part, get this leg on here. And sometimes you have to take these off and reposition them, and that is kind of a pain, but if it's not on there right, you'll know it fairly early. You'll hear that heating element start to tss every time that leg hits that heating element, it being cold and a little wet. It's gonna make a little noise. So yeah. You're cooking with P. Yeah. You cooking with P. Okay. So that actually looks fairly good. Put the top part on. You cooking with P. And then we're gonna do that one time.
Hey P, you gonna let me get some of that?
Alright, so we think we got a fairly good load on the birds. We're going to place them into the rotisserie, like so. We're going to close the lid, like so. And then we're going to do 1 hour and 35 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so we'll just let it roll out.
Okay, so as you can see, my birds are rolling, and I got about 1 hour and 30 minutes, so I'm going to set the timer. Thanks for checking in. So, thanks for watching Cooking with P. We'll be right back. Hey P, that's smelling mighty fine.
We've done about 40 minutes. As you can see, the skin is starting to lightly brown. And so we got 55 more minutes to go. And hey, let's see what it do. Cooking with P.
Make a brother say, woo, doggy. Okay, so as you can see, our timer just went off. These rotisserie burgers are looking really good. Gotta let them cool off a little bit, but we're gonna do a taste test. But let's take a little quick peek. Oh yeah, see that smoke coming out? Yeah, them babies is hot. So we're gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna take the knife to them and see what it do. Thank you for watching. Cooking with P. We'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. We let these burgers cool off for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take them out the rotisserie, take a couple little slices and see what we working with. Be right back. Woo, yeah, they still a little warm, still a little warm. Be careful when you deal with these parts because look good, smell good. I'm gonna cut into the breast. Oh man, that is so juicy.
You cooking with P.
All right, here it goes.
You cooking with P.
Boy, that is so good. Ooh, I love the skin too. Love skin on the chicken. Ooh, still hot though. All right, so thanks for tuning in. You have been cooking with P. Y'all stay blessed and we'll see you next time. Peace.
PJTV.